Are you planning on selling your home? Well, there's a few things you need to do before you get it ready for the market, right? But believe it or not all the updates are worth your time and money. I will share with you the updates you don't need to make before you list your home. Stay tuned. Hi there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor here in the Greater Palm Springs region. I record and post content here about the Greater Palm Springs region real estate market and the desert lifestyle because I take the knots out of real estate. Check that, because I upload new content every other week. Before you start making any changes to your home, it's best to make a plan with your realtor, believe it or not. They can guide you on which updates will give you the most return on your investment. So first, updates you should make. One worthwhile update is painting your home. Light and bright colors are preferred to expand the space and create that clean feeling. Fixing broken items like dripping faucets, slow drains, locks, light fixtures, and sticking doors are all worth the money and time. If you don't, they'll come up on the home inspection and you might have to address them later. Just saying. Plus, it will show better and reflect on the seller that they took amazing care of their home. Ignoring deferred maintenance is a big no-no when you're selling. It throws up all kinds of red flags to potential buyers. Just saying. Now, let's talk about the updates you don't have to make before you list your home. Appliances. You don't need to upgrade appliances like refrigerators and washers and dryers unless they're in really poor working condition or they're outdated. Buyers mainly focus on the layout of the kitchen or laundry room rather than the appliances. The driveway. As long as driveway is in good condition and free of major cracks or potholes, there's probably no need to repair or replace it. Buyers are more interested in the overall condition and location of a home than the specific features of a driveway. Major room remodels. Major kitchen or bathroom renovations are typically not recommended. They're too pricey. These types of remodels tend to involve expensive and customized choices. As we also know, remodels never complete on time. Focus on things that will draw in a potential buyer, like painting and adding new countertops, backsplash, or painting cabinets to a kitchen instead of remodeling the entire space. You'll be surprised with the difference this will make. My kitchen had 20-year-old cabinets and I liked them, but the tile counter and lack of backsplash always drove me crazy. We recently installed quartz countertops and mosaic glass tile backsplash, new stovetop, hood, sink, and faucet. We did the same thing in our bathrooms with new countertops, raised basins, and fixtures. The kitchen and bathrooms are even more gorgeous, and they feel completely remodeled, for real. We fell in love with them all over again. And for less than $20,000 in 30 days of work. Wow! If you have any questions about any of this, give me a call, text, or email. I'm happy to help. Number 4, home technology. Smart home technology is not necessary to attract buyers unless the home has major outdated technology. Currently, most smart home technologies utilize Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so wiring is no longer necessary, so skip the tech. Number 5, windows. If the windows in your home are in good condition, there's likely no need to update them. Fixtures. Cosmetic details like light fixtures or sink faucets are not necessary to update throughout your home. Buyers will most likely update these when they purchase the home. That being said, these can also be an economical mini update that can make a huge difference in how your home shows to potential buyers. I recommend updating it if it's within your budget. Some updates are worth your time and money, while others are not. It's all about how it shows potential buyers. I always tell my clients to focus on making it uncluttered, clean, bright, and inviting. It's really important to make a plan with your realtor to determine which updates will give you the most return for your investment. By following these simple tips, you can save a lot of time and money in getting your home ready to sell. And now, watch my next video about how I reluctantly got into real estate 22 years ago. Bye! Real estate market because... and... Buyers will most... Oh, I'm so tired.